Hey guys, happy Monday. Emily again. I am out of the lot and I wanted to show you guys this Heritage Glen by Forest River that we have. It's a 370 BL. Up front you do have a huge pass-through storage. Nice big awning. Outside speakers. Solid steps. Outdoor kitchen with a refrigerator and sink. And then coming inside, in the living in kitchen area, you do have opposing slide outs, which makes it feel huge in here. Lots of room. You've got your table and chairs, along with an island with a farm sink. Got your kitchen area. Trifold sofa in the back that folds out to a bed. You've got your media chairs in front of your electric fireplace and TV. Lots of storage in this camper, as you can see. And then you've got your mid bunk room, jackknife sofa, and a bunk on top. Some additional storage in here as well. Coming upstairs, you've got your double bunk up here as well, with some storage up front. Bathroom, tub shower combo. Very spacious bathroom. And your bedroom area. You've got your bed on a slide out, your closet right up here, washer dryer hookup, and a dresser. Alright guys, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a happy Monday.